This is a NOB software demo on GL account reconciliation. Basically, this procedure is done at month end. So the first thing it prompts me for is the GL accounting code. Now, if I know the accounting code, I can put it in. Otherwise, I have to put in some words of the name for it to select for me, so I can select from it list. I'm going to put in prepaid insurance. And it has one GL account for both the words insurance and prepaid. 1142. That's what I want. The next prompt is period. I'm going to work with 2011, the year, and the month 12. All the accounting periods in this customer's system is by month. Okay. As you can see, it brought up all the ledger reconciliation based on the general ledger. And it grouped it by customer code. Now notice HealthNet has a debit and credit. So basically the debit was an expense. The credit was the journal, terminal accounting, and group accounting, the insurance. Now, I manipulated one of them, Affleck, here, so that I can show you how to group it. It's real simple. Affleck, you want them together. So all you got to do is put the same group number in as the other Affleck, 56410. And it grouped it down here. It doesn't group it up here, it groups it down here. This is your final result you're working with. This up here is basically the work area. Now, if you want to, you can manipulate the numbers down here, although why would you want to? Because they need to balance to the general ledger. I'm going to bring up Inquire GL account. You can notice that here the beginning balance is $1,485.91. The period debits are $97,467.48. The period credits are $98,517.48. And the ending balance is $435.91. Not bad. Now, as we notice, we have 4 expenses that apply to this account and 5 general journals. Now, if we wanted to, we could literally look at the expenses and bring one of the expenses up. And as you can see, Affleck, customer code 56410, expensed prepaid insurance for $3377.38. The reason why this customer does this is that the data entry clerk that enters expenses doesn't need to know hundreds of GL accounting codes. Just needs to know prepaid insurance, 1142. Voila. Now the accounting department, who normally knows all the GL accounting codes, will actually make a journal to, let me find Affleck, there he is down the bottom. And he breaks it down. Notice there's 12 lines here. What they're doing is they're breaking it down by employee type and terminal code. Now, once you've got everything summarized and totaled, everything's perfect, this is what you're going to report to the head CPA, your balance sheet account for prepaid insurance. Just as simple as that. I'm going to hit the enter key. Do you want to process the record? Yep. And you're done. And that's it.